Hi. To control your desktop monitor brightness as well as of your laptop with a simple tool, you can surely enjoy this short video tutorial. It's a tiny tool of 500 kilobytes. Go to Microsoft Store. Type Monitorian. Simply install it. When it's installed, it will be in your taskbar notifications. Simply come here. My monitor is MSI Optics. I am controlling the brightness, but maybe you cannot see it. So, this video shows that. You can see that without any touch in my desktop monitor, I can easily control it and make it like the way I need. The tool also has some other features as well, you can play with them if needed. And this also works for laptop as well, you must try. Hope this helped you as always. And please be with us, let us know if you have any question or query. Hope you subscribed. Goodbye.